This video is going to give a quick overview of all of the muscles that are located, like superficial muscles that are located on a rat. This includes the muscles on the head, body, and kind of tail end or back end of the rat, and legs and arms. So basically, we're going to start by looking at the rat from a ventral view and identifying the muscles underneath. You can start here by looking at the digastric muscle, which is located right under the bottom jaw of the rat. Let me zoom in here so you can get a better look at it. And let me focus the camera. Okay, so the digastric muscle is located right under the jaw. It's kind of like the bottom jaw of the rat's right here. And then also we have the masseter, which is located on the sides of the mouth. They're the chewing muscles for the rat. And you can see some glands here also located in the neck that cover up some of the muscles that are located underneath. These muscles include like the sternohyoid, the omohyoid, and the sternomastoid. They're all located under these glands. They're kind of hard to see. If you pull the glands around, you can see some things in them, but not a whole lot. They're located right in here, under these two glands here. And also in here you have the clavotrapezius, which is located on, it kind of makes a V shape on the sides of the throat of the rat. It just helps the rat to have shape in the throat and move its body, or move its head up and down in different directions. Okay, so let me zoom back out and we'll continue looking at the muscles down here. Okay, next we are going to look at the muscles on the chest and in the arms. Okay, so here we are going to look at the arm. We have the biceps brachii, which is located right there, and the acromidodeltoid, which is also located as kind of like the shoulder of the rat. Here we have the forearm flexors and the triceps brachii, which are located on the backside of the leg, kind of. And then your pecs, your pectoralis major and your pectoralis minor, are both located here. They're the big chest muscles of the rat. And also on the sides, an easy thing to see is the latissimus dorsi and also the cutaneous maximus. Here we have the rectus abdominis, which is basically like the stomach muscle, or the muscle that goes on the outside of the abdomen. And then on the back legs we have the rectus femoris, which is located right here, and the gracilis, which is also located in the inside of the legs. And we have the tibialis anterior and the gastrocnemius, which the gastrocnemius is located on the inside of the leg between it's kind of like the ankle bone, sort of. Okay, now we're going to turn the rat to look at it from the side. So you can see here we have the latissimus dorsi. You can see those on the side, and the serratus ventralis. You can see those on the sides as well. They kind of look like ribs. Here we have the external obliques. If you cut those open, you can get to the internal obliques, which are located directly underneath them. It's kind of like the second layer. Up here, you can see the eye, obviously, and Then there's the masseter on the side of the face, and the clavotrapezius and the acromiotrapezius located in the neck, which help to give the shape to the rat's neck and again to help it move. Then you move further down the body and you have the biceps femoris on the hind kind of leg, thigh, on the back leg, and also up on the front leg you can see the triceps brachii and the extensors of the foot and digits. You can see the biceps femoris again here where I'm showing you. Let me move the rat up right here. And also on the back leg we have the tibialis anterior, which is located on the kind of front of the leg, but still bottom of the leg. And now we're going to look at the rat from a dorsal view to get a look at all these. So here we have the temporalis and the cervicularis, which is located on the neck, and the clavotrapezius again sticks up all around the neck, and the acromiotrapezius again. Then you have the spinodeltoid and the triceps brachii again sticking out in the back of the arms. You can see those here. And then you have the spinotrapezius, which is located just behind the chest. It's the back of the chest muscle. And the latissimus dorsi on the sides. And right down through the back runs the lumbodorsal fascia. It's this big, long muscle. It kind of looks white on this rat. You can see it running down the middle. And then back here we have the gastrocnemius, the biceps, or the gluteus superficialis, are located right here. They're kind of the hips, located on the hips of the rat. And you can see down here on the end of the foot, we have the Achilles tendon, which is important to note, since rats and humans both have this muscle. That's located on the hind legs, just above the ankle. So basically those are all the muscles of the rat, just a quick overview of those.